you, let me show you. Look. Right there. Look. Right there.
Hello viewers, welcome to our channel, the Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well, and I am also good. So today in this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XauUsd, and I will try to find the potential trade setups for intraday purpose, that is for today as well as tomorrow. So let's get started. So before look the technical chart, we need to check the fundamental. If you can see today, we have again Fed Chair Powell testifies at 7:30 p.m. IST, and there is no any high impact news except this today. So as you know, yesterday U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell testified before the Senate banking. Okay, so during his testimony, he stated that inflation has been improving in recent months and that positive economic data could further support the case for interest rate cuts. So more good data would strengthen their confidence that inflation is moving sustainably toward 2%. He also told this. And he also told after a lack of progress toward our 2% inflation objective in the early part of this year, the most recent monthly reading have been shown modest further progress. So, as he said, reducing policy restraint too late or too little could unduly weaken economy activity and employment. So, based on his statement, my opinion is that a rate cut is likely this year if inflation sustained at this level. Maintaining high interest rates for an extended period could reduce economic activity for any country. So, given this outlook, the overall sentiment among traders is that the DXY will ultimately decline by the end of this year, although it may take some time. We definitely see the decline in DXY, but we do not know when it will start to declining. Till then, we may see a ranging market in DXY as well as gold also. So let's see the gold chart for today's trade setups. So as you know, gold is still bullish in 4-hour frame. And if I mark the structure in 4-hour frame, there is a 2 point of interest. First point of interest is there, and it is too far from the recent price, current price. That is the zone is 2396, 2300. Whenever market approach this zone, we may initiate a buy from here. That is 2396 to 2300, and we may sell gold if gold break this price like momentum candles like this, and after retest we may sell up to this price. Okay, there is a multiple thing in this zone. Let me discuss one by one. Okay, so as you know, as already I discussed on my previous video, we have 2 point of interest, one is there and one is there. Okay. Market break the first point of interest and create a relative equal lows at this zone. Okay. I will explain this relative equal zones and what it do in the market in 1 hour frame after after completing in this frame. So market break this first POI and we are expecting to retest the second POI as per market structure rule. So we need to find the sell setup in gold up to this zone, that is 2300 zone. So that's why we need to shift on 1 hour frame to find the best trade setups for today as well as tomorrow. Let me show you in 1 hour frame. In 1 hour frame, look, let me first discuss this relative equal lows. This is, look, this support price tested fourth time at same zone and it create a relative equal lows at this point. Whenever market create this kind of relative equal lows, that means it form a liquid zone just below this price and this is the liquid zone. Here is a multiple SLs of retail traders. That's why smart money have to approach this zone and grab all the liquidity and after that it may go up again. So be careful for fake out of this support. It may show a fake out today. So what we need to do for this situation? For this situation, we have a 50% Fibo retracement level at the price of 2343 in the 4 hour frame. Let me show on 4 hour frame first. In 4 hour frame, if I plot the Fibo for entire swing from here to this, the starting point is there and the ending point is there. You can see a Fibo retracement of 50% at 2342.67 price. So market may come to grab this liquidity and test the Fibo 50% level and after that it may go up. So be careful and if you see any evidence like this, you can initiate a buy from here also. Okay, let's shift to the 1 hour frame again. In 1 hour frame, in 1 hour frame, you can see market is creating a lower low, lower high structure. Look, market is creating lower low, lower high, lower low, another lower high, and it may create a new low. If market able to close a candle below this price, that is 2343 price, we may initiate sell in gold for today. Okay, like this. If my candles close and create momentum candles and close a Marubozu type candle below this price, we may initiate a sell from here. So focus on the price 2343. 2343 is a decisional price for today. Focus on it. If it reject from this 50% retracement and close above this with Marubozu candle or big weak candle, lower wick candle, we may initiate a buy up to this level. Okay. So this is our two trade setup for this zone and the first was there for buy and there is a order block. If we shift in 30 minutes, you can see, let me delete the drawing first. Okay. You can see in this point of interest, if I mark the structure, there is a 3 candles order block. This 3 bullish candle is a order block and price tested the first order block at this zone, and I have also initiated a sell from this zone, as I told on my previous video, yesterday's video. If we get the price at 2371 to 75 level, we may initiate a sell. 70, sorry, 23. I gave you 2370 to 73. I gave you 2370 level to initiate sell. As this was my strategy, I initiate a sell from here, and it gave me a decent profit. And also I show you my buy position from here on yesterday's video. It also gave me a decent profit from there. Okay, so there is a unmitigated order block above this order block. Let me delete first, otherwise you cannot able to see all this thing. Okay, let me show you a new thing. Whenever you see this kind of order block, multiple candles order block, you may divide this order block in 50% area. I mark this full order block in a zone and divide this in 50% area, and the 50% area, look, this is the full order block, and I divide it into 50%, and market test the lower 50%, and the upper 50% is still unmitigated. So in that scenario, we may see a price test this upper 50% zone today and sell from here. Okay, so the upper 50% zone may test today, and the level is 2373 to 2377. So if we get the price 2373 277 today, we may initiate a sell from here like this. Okay, so that's all trade setup for today as well as tomorrow. So all right, my dear friends, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And by subscribing, you will stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and strategies that's really help you to trade smarter and more profitably. So, my dear viewers, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next video on tomorrow. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye.